prior authorization shouldn't delay care. An AI agent helps providers submit accurate requests faster and with confidence. Healthcare providers face rising authorization volumes. Tighter compliance and limited capacity make modernizing prior authorization essential where speed and accuracy drive experience, cost, and outcomes. Where speed and accuracy shape experience, cost, and outcomes. Even small gaps, such as missing notes or mismatched details, lead to delays, rework, and added follow-ups. Slower approvals and higher effort impact provider experience as care waits. Inconsistent capture raises compliance risk, making standardization and traceability essential. Tech Mahindra introduces an AgenticAuth Assist AI prior authorization agent guiding provider teams end-to-end. Validates key details step by step, capturing information in a structured, consistent way, and confirming required documentation to reduce missing items. If an authorization already exists, AI identifies it, shares the tracking number, and escalates complex cases for clinical review when needed. After submission, AgenticAuth Assist AI agent sends confirmation through the preferred channel and enables clear follow-up status tracking. Teams can scale volumes without added headcount while improving consistency, compliance, and operational visibility. Prior authorization can be simpler. With AI guidance at every step, providers move faster with accuracy, transparency, and trust. Ready to simplify prior authorization with intelligent, AI-driven support? Connect with our experts to learn how AgenticAuth Assist can accelerate approvals, reduce effort, and improve compliance outcomes. Reach out to us at contactcenter.ai@techmahindra.com.